Transform your Nikon Z5 into a professional-grade webcam and elevate your online presence with this simple, step-by-step guide. First, you'll need the Nikon Webcam utility software, freely available for download on Nikon's official website. After installation, connect your Nikon Z5 to your computer using a high-quality USB-C cable. Ensure your camera is powered on. Launch the Nikon Webcam utility. It should automatically detect your Z5 now. Open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, like Zoom, OBS Studio, or Skype. In your application's camera settings, select Nikon Z5 as your video source. You'll immediately see a live feed from your camera. For optimal image quality, head to your Z5's menu. Under the shooting menu, navigate to image quality and select RAW or FineJPEG. In the video shooting menu, set the movie quality to something like 4K UHD or Full HD at 30 frames per second. Crucially, pay attention to your lighting. Position yourself facing a light source, like a window or a softbox, to avoid shadows and create a clear, professional look. Fine-tune your focus manually on the camera if needed, or ensure autofocus is set to track your face. You can also adjust other camera settings like exposure compensation and white balance to match your environment perfectly. With these simple steps, your Nikon Z5 is now ready to deliver stunning, high-definition video for all your online needs.